Building a referral form with email notifications and tracking doesn't need to be complicated. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up a referral form, automate email notifications, and track all submissions, all without wasting time on complicated tools. Whether you're running a business, managing a team, or growing a community, this is a simple solution that can save you a ton of effort. So let's dive straight in. First, we're going to start with creating the form itself. You can use our software, which makes form creation super easy. All you need to do is drag and drop the necessary fields: name, email, and referral code. You can also add any extra fields you need for more detailed information. The best part? You can customize the look and feel of the form to match your brand in just a few clicks. Now that we have the form set up, it's time to enable email notifications. This is where the magic happens. With our software, you can automatically send a notification to your team or any specific email address when a new referral comes in. Simply set the trigger for the form submission and input the recipient's email. You'll want to include key details in the notification, like the referrer's name and email address, so you can follow up quickly. You can even create custom messages that fit your brand's tone. Next, we need to enable tracking. You want to make sure every referral is tracked from submission all the way through to conversion. In the software, you can generate unique referral links for each user. When they share their link and a new user signs up, the referral is automatically recorded. Plus, the software will let you see which referrer brought in the most new signups. You'll be able to track each referral success with easy-to-read analytics. If you're following along, keep an eye on your dashboard. It will show you detailed reports about the referrals, the status of their submissions, and the conversion rates. It's a simple way to keep everything organized, and it lets you make adjustments to your referral program as needed. For the last step, don't forget to test your form. Make sure the notifications are being sent correctly and that the tracking is working. This will ensure that once you launch your referral program, everything runs smoothly without any hiccups. Key takeaway: building a referral form with email notifications and tracking doesn't need to be complex. Start with an easy-to-use form builder, enable email notifications for instant alerts, and use built-in tracking to monitor and optimize your program. Remember, if you want to follow along with the exact software I'm using in this video, you can grab an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. It's only available to my viewers, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.